Space, the final frontier. From distant galaxies to the mysteries of our own solar system, the universe is full of wonders that we have yet to fully understand. Today, we are going to take you on a journey through some of the most fascinating and mind-blowing facts about space. Buckle up, because space is stranger and more amazing than you can ever imagine. Fact number 1. The universe is expanding. One of the most mind-boggling discoveries of modern science is that the universe is expanding. This was first observed by astronomer Edwin Hubble in the 1920s. Not only is the universe expanding, but it's expanding at an accelerating rate due to a mysterious force known as dark energy. In the future, galaxies will be so far apart that they will no longer be visible to each other, creating an isolated universe. Fact number 2. The size of the observable universe. The observable universe is a staggering 93 billion light-years across. Imagine that. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. About 5.88 trillion miles. The light from the farthest galaxies we can see took billions of years to reach us, which means when we look into space, we are essentially looking back in time. Fact number 3. There are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. It's hard to fathom, but there are more stars in the observable universe than grains of sand on all of Earth's beaches. Scientists estimate that there are 100 billion galaxies, and each galaxy contains an average of 100 billion stars. That's 10,000 stars, which is far more than the number of grains of sand on Earth. Fact number 4. A star is born every day. Every day, new stars are born in space, particularly in regions known as stellar nurseries. These areas, like the Orion Nebula, are clouds of gas and dust where gravity pulls the particles together to form new stars. This process of star formation is an ongoing part of the life cycle of the universe. Fact number 5. The Sun makes up 99.86% of the solar system's mass. The Sun is the giant anchor of our solar system, containing a staggering 99.86% of the total mass. It is so large that about 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. The Sun's gravitational pull controls the orbits of all the planets and objects in the solar system. Fact number 6. Venus is the hottest planet. Despite being closer to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Its thick, toxic atmosphere traps heat in a runaway greenhouse effect, causing surface temperatures to reach around 475 degrees Celsius, which is hotter than Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun. Fact number 7. Jupiter has the most moons. Jupiter, the giant of our solar system, has a whopping 80 known moons. The largest of these moons, Ganymede, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is also the only moon in the solar system known to have its own magnetic field. Fact number 8. Saturn's rings aren't solid. Saturn's iconic rings are not solid. They are made up of billions of icy particles ranging in size from small grains of sand to large chunks as big as houses. These particles are constantly moving and can even collide, creating new ring structures. Fact number 9. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is shrinking. Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth, has been raging for at least 350 years. However, recent observations have shown that it is slowly shrinking. In fact, the storm has lost about 1/3 of its size over the past 150 years, and scientists are still unsure why. Fact number 10. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus has a very slow rotation, taking 243 Earth days to complete one full rotation. However, it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. This means that a single day on Venus lasts longer than an entire year. Fact number 11. Black holes aren't actually holes. Despite their name, black holes aren't holes in space, but are incredibly dense objects with a gravitational pull so strong that not even light can escape. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. The region from which light cannot escape is called the event horizon. Fact number 12. Neutron stars are incredibly dense. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. They are incredibly dense, so much so that a teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 6 billion tons. These stars also have extremely strong magnetic fields and can rotate several times per second. Fact number 13. There's a planet made of diamonds. Astronomers have discovered a planet, 55 Cancri E, which is thought to be made mostly of diamond. It's about twice the size of Earth and has a surface temperature of over 3,900 degrees, 2,150 degrees. The high pressure and heat on this planet likely caused the carbon in its core to crystallize into diamonds. Fact number 14. Space is not completely empty. Although we often think of space as being empty, it's actually filled with a thin soup of particles and radiation. This is called the interstellar medium and is made up of gas, dust, and cosmic rays. Even in the empty spaces between stars, there is still something there. Fact number 15. The moon smells like gunpowder. Astronauts who have been to the moon report that the surface of the moon has a distinct smell, which is often compared to the scent of gunpowder. This is due to the interaction of lunar dust with the oxygen in the astronauts' suits during moonwalks. Fact number 16. The first humans to walk on the moon left trash behind. The Apollo missions were historic in their achievement, but they also left quite a bit of trash on the moon. This includes discarded spacecraft parts, tools, and even human waste. There are also 6 American flags still standing on the lunar surface, though they are likely bleached white due to exposure to intense solar radiation. Fact number 17. Space travel affects the human body. Extended space travel can have significant effects on the human body. Astronauts experience muscle atrophy and bone loss due to the lack of gravity. Their vision can also be altered due to the shifting of fluids in the body. To counter these effects, astronauts must exercise for hours every day while in space. Fact numbered 18. The Voyager. 1. Spacecraft is the farthest human-made object launched in 1977. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth. It is currently over 14 billion miles away and is still sending back data about interstellar space. The spacecraft carries a golden record containing sounds and images from Earth in case it is ever found by extraterrestrial life. As you can see, space is not only vast, but filled with bizarre, fascinating, and beautiful phenomena. The more we learn about space, the more we realize how little we truly know. There's still so much to discover, and the mysteries of the universe continue to captivate scientists and dreamers alike. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through space. If you enjoyed these amazing facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be among the first to explore the stars.